Guys, today I'm going to tell you 3 important tips that you need to follow for getting a top rank in GATE exam with self-study. Guys, if you will be following these 3 tips properly, then I guarantee you that you will definitely get a top 10 rank in GATE exam. So guys, let's get started. Guys, many a times a fear comes in the minds of those students who are preparing for GATE with self-study that they might not end up with a good GATE rank. Guys, you need not to worry at all because at last self-preparation counts. Please don't consider the coaching going students superior than you. Guys, in coaching centers also, those students gets a good rank who are having a good hold on their concepts. So these are the 3 steps that you need to follow to get a better grip on your concepts while you are preparing for GATE with self-study. So guys, the first step that you need to follow is collect notes. Guys, GATE exam constitutes a wide variety of topics, and if you start going in depth of each topic, then you will end up in getting lost in the wide areas of engineering. So guys, in order to crack GATE exam, there is no need to do research in any subject. Hence, I suggest you that please don't refer standard books while preparing for GATE exam. All you need to do is collect some best quality notes either by buying them or by downloading them using any website, so that you can get an idea that what all topics are important to be studied while preparing for GATE exam. Guys, I am focusing more on coaching notes because coaching notes are prepared by experienced faculty who knows the DNA of GATE exam very well, and by following those notes you can save yourself in wasting a lot of time. Guys, mainly the droppers students knows that what to read and what not, but the problem appears with the final year students preparing for GATE, as the final year students are appearing in GATE exam for the first time. Therefore, they are always in a confusion that whether they should study from standard books or they should prefer coaching center notes. So guys, all you need to do is prefer some coaching center notes. So you can prefer either Made Easy coaching center notes or Ace Academy coaching center notes, because according to me, both of them are good. Guys, moving on, the second step that you need to follow is maintain a proper timeline. Guys, you need to mention your schedule from today to the date when the GATE exam has been scheduled. You need to write in that diary that how much days you are going to give in preparing which subject, and moreover how many days you are going to spend in revision and how many days you are going to leave for attempting test series. Guys, according to a study, those people who does not decide a proper strategic plan to accomplish their goals have only 5% chances to get succeeded, whereas in 95% cases these type of people fails in accomplishing their goals. So guys, maintaining proper timeline is a crucial step for you in order to check whether your speed of preparation of GATE exam is as per the schedule or behind the schedule. Guys, moving on, the third and the most important step to be followed by you is attempting of test series. So guys, in test series there are basically 2 types of tests. First one is subject test and second one is full length test. Guys, many a times questions arises in students' minds that whether the subject tests are necessary or not. So guys, here I am clearing this doubt of yours by saying that yes, subject tests are extremely necessary for your GATE preparation. Guys, it is true that about 30 to 40% of these subject test questions will be not important at all. So guys, make sure that you practice only those questions which are getting solved by you or are from the topics which have been taught in the notes. Guys, if you are watching some question first time, then please leave it, because coaching institutions have to put more questions in those subject tests. So sometimes they put some unnecessary questions as well. So please don't waste your time and energy in unnecessary questions. Guys, benefits of doing the subject test will be that number first, you will get used to virtual calculator provided for the exam, and the second one is that by scheduling subject test you can schedule your revision time as well. That is, for example, let's say that you schedule around 1 test per day. Then for preparing that test you will have to revise the subject from where that test is going to be asked. So like this, you will get help in revising your subjects daily. Guys, sometimes what happens is that after revising a subject many times, you get fed up and you don't want to revise that subject again. So this subject test will make you revise the subjects again and again. Guys, one more thing that you need to keep in mind is that don't compare your rank and marks in these subject tests. Guys, if you are getting around 60% of marks in subject test, then these are more than enough. Guys, while attempting subject test, you might see some students who are getting around 100% of marks. So guys, you need not to worry about those students, because those students are mostly the repeaters who are attempting the same test series again by mugging up the answers of all questions. Guys, second major part of the test series is full length test. Guys, these full length tests are very important for your GATE preparation, and in last 2 months you need to do 1 full length test each day. Guys, normally we are not used to sit at a single place for 3 hours duration, but in GATE exam you need to sit at a single place for 3 hour hour duration with same concentration. So this full length test helps you to get used to that gate type environment and sit at the single place for 3-hour duration. Guys, if you follow all these 3 steps, then no one can stop you in getting a top rank in your GATE exam. Guys, do hit the like button and do subscribe the GATE Hunt and press the bell icon to receive notifications on latest jobs updates, GATE talks and video lectures on GATE and IES.